Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the motion settings that you have for this particular slideshow. In the past, this would have been called animations or something like that. Now it's called motion. If I go to my view menu and I click on motion, I get my motion menu. And on this particular slide, there's no motion set up. If I want to, I can add it. So now that I've selected an element, I can add animation, and then I can describe the animation: appear, disappear, fade in, fly in from the left. When do you want it to happen? On click, after a previous animation or motion, or with a previous, in other words simultaneous, with the one above it. I'm going to do click. You can determine by paragraph if you have text boxes or something like that and you want the entire chunk to come in. You can determine the speed at which that happens, and then you can view it by clicking play. So I have this in, it's basically displaying slideshow mode, and since this motion isn't set to happen until I click, nothing's going to appear until I click. So I click, and there I get it flying in from the left. But sometimes you don't always know what kind of motions you have set up on different slides, so it's sometimes a good idea to open up that motion menu and take a look, make sure things are in the right order, doing the right thing, whatever, just to make sure that it comes off looking nice and neat.